Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Animal Rennet is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked ingredients for any aspiring cheesemaker looking to achieve that authentic, traditional flavor and texture in their homemade creations, transforming simple milk into delicious curds and whey with a time-honored process that has been perfected over centuries. Number 5. Mozzarella and Ricotta Cheese Making Kit. Discover the joy of making your own delicious mozzarella and ricotta cheeses. This all-inclusive kit provides everything you need to start your cheesemaking journey. Inside, you'll find high-quality cheesecloth, vegetable rennet, citric acid, cheese salt, and a reliable cooking thermometer. It's a complete set for perfect results every time. Our kit is designed for ease of use, making it a fun and rewarding experience for beginners and seasoned cooks alike. Enjoy fresh, homemade cheese with minimal effort. Looking for a unique gift? This cheesemaking kit is an ideal present for anyone who loves cooking, Italian food, or trying new culinary adventures. Elevate your home cooking with authentic Italian cheesemaking supplies. Create gourmet cheeses that will impress your family and friends. What we like? This is a fantastic all-in-one solution for beginners. It provides everything you need to get started with making mozzarella and ricotta at home. If you're looking for a convenient and comprehensive introduction to cheese making, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great rennet for home cheese making. It is very potent and a little goes a long way. I have used this rennet to make several different types of cheese, including cheddar, mozzarella, and feta. It has worked well in all of them. The rennet is easy to use and measure. It comes with clear instructions on how to use it. Number 4. Microbial Liquid Coagulant 30 ml. Introducing our powerful Microbial Coagulant, a highly effective solution for your dairy needs. It's designed for optimal performance in cheese making. This product is completely non-animal, non-GMO, and gluten-free, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences. Enjoy its benefits with peace of mind. Experience the double strength of this potent formula. Just a small amount is needed to achieve excellent results in your milk. Using it is simple. Warm your milk gradually and dissolve the solution in non-chlorinated water before adding. It works effectively on all types of fresh animal milk. Benefit from its long shelf life, ensuring you always have this essential ingredient ready when you need it. It's a reliable choice for consistent quality. Proudly made in Denmark, this microbial rennet is derived from Microbial. It's the perfect choice for producing high-quality vegetarian cheeses. What we like? This is a highly concentrated and potent option. Its long shelf life and non-GMO certification make it a reliable choice for consistent results. If you are a vegetarian cheesemaker who values power and longevity in your ingredients, this microbial coagulant is ideal. What people say. This Animal Rennet is a high-quality coagulant that produces a firm curd, essential for hard cheeses. The rennet is easy to measure and mix, leading to consistent results in cheese making. It works effectively in a variety of cheese recipes, from cheddar to mozzarella. Number 3. Cultures for Health Cream Cheese Starter. Unlock the delicious world of homemade cream cheese with our easy-to-use starter kit. Perfect for creating creamy spreads, dips, and more. Craft your own rich and creamy spread right in your kitchen. It's a simple process that yields incredibly satisfying results. From bagels and appetizers to decadent cupcake frosting, this starter culture offers endless culinary possibilities. Elevate your favorite dishes. Our direct set packets are non-GMO and designed for your convenience. You get consistent, high-quality results every time you make it. Each pack comes with vegetable rennet tablets to help achieve the perfect texture. You'll have everything you need to get started. Enjoy the taste of fresh, homemade cream cheese whenever you desire. It's a rewarding experience for any home cook. What we like? This product is specifically designed for making delicious cream cheese. The direct set nature simplifies the process, making it perfect for quick and easy spreads. If you love creamy dips, bagels, or frosting and want to make your own, this starter culture is the way to go. What people say. This Animal Rennet is a high-quality coagulant that produces a firm curd, ideal for hard cheeses. The rennet is easy to measure and mix, ensuring consistent results in cheese making. It has a long shelf life when stored properly, making it a cost-effective choice for home cheesemakers. Number 2. QSO Vegetable Rennet Tablets. Introducing our Vegetable Rennet Tablets, crafted with care. They are completely free from animal products, gluten, and GMOs, ensuring a pure and wholesome choice for your kitchen. Designed for your convenience, each tablet is scored for easy breaking. This allows you to precisely measure the perfect amount for your home cheesemaking adventures. Unlock your inner cheesemaker with these versatile tablets. They are ideal for creating delicious cheeses right in your own home, offering consistent and reliable results. Experience the power of efficient curd formation. Just half a tablet is all you need to set 2 gallons of milk in about 45 minutes. We are committed to providing you with high-quality ingredients. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with using a product that is both effective and ethically sourced. What we like. These tablets offer great flexibility for home cheese makers. The scored segments allow for precise measurements, reducing waste. If you are a vegetarian or gluten-free cheese maker who appreciates portion control and ease of use, these vegetable rennet tablets are a perfect fit. What people say. This animal rennet is a high-quality coagulant that produces a firm curd, essential for hard cheeses. The rennet is easy to measure and mix, ensuring consistent results in cheese making. It works effectively to break down milk proteins, leading to a clean break and good whey separation. Number 1. Vegetarian Rennet Tablets Box of 100. Discover the secret to perfect cheese. These tablets are designed to help you coagulate milk into delicious curds with ease. Crafted with microbial enzymes, our product contains absolutely no animal derivatives. Enjoy your cheese making with peace of mind. Each tablet is conveniently scored into 4 segments. This allows for precise measurement, ensuring you use just the right amount every time. For best results, a quarter of a tablet can set 1 to 3 gallons of milk. Achieve the ideal curd consistency for your cheesemaking endeavors. To ensure optimal curd formation, especially with pasteurized or raw milk, consider adding calcium chloride. This step guarantees successful cheese making. What we like. This is a cost-effective option for those who make cheese frequently. The microbial enzymes ensure a vegetarian-friendly product with good curd formation. If you are a dedicated home cheese maker looking for a large quantity of reliable, animal-free rennet, this box of 100 tablets is an excellent value. What people say. This animal rennet is a high-quality coagulant that produces a firm curd, essential for hard cheeses. The rennet is easy to measure and dissolve, making the cheese-making process straightforward and efficient. It works effectively to create a clean break in the milk, allowing for optimal whey separation and cheese yield. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.